In the old menu, there was a button marked Vehicles. In the new menu, this button is marked Assets because you may be tracking trailers, other kinds of equipment, or even untracked assets may be listed in your Geotab database. This is where you can view and edit your vehicles. You can also see details about the vehicles, the serial number, the current driver if you're tracking driver identification, license plates, odometers, VIN numbers on your vehicles. You'll notice that these columns can be moved so that they are in the order that works best for you. You also have the ability to sort and filter your vehicle list by a variety of options. You can hide columns or add columns as needed so that you can see the specific set of information that you need to see.